One of the Johnson, one of the Glizzy.
What?
Got the double D. One of the Johnson, one of the Glizzy.